In this video, I'll show you how to turn off Facebook notifications so you can stop receiving alerts from the app. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Tap the three horizontal lines icon in the corner of the screen to open the menu. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. On the Settings page, find and tap Notifications. Here you'll see different categories like comments, tags, reminders, groups, pages, and more. Tap on any category to manage notifications for that activity. Inside each section, you'll see options for push, email, and SMS notifications. Turn off the toggles next to these options if you don't want to receive notifications for that category. If you want to stop most alerts, you can go through each category and disable the notifications you don't need. This helps reduce interruptions and keeps your phone from constantly sending alerts. Your changes are saved automatically once you turn the toggles off. That's how you can turn off Facebook notifications using the app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tutorials.